Gonna be doing a little spraying today. Got this 2-inch hose set up for faster filling. It's got the Gator lock coupler on it from Tractor Supply. I think it was like $12. But it makes everything a lot easier. I mean, most people that have spraying operations seem to use them. Got that locked on, and then to release it you push those 2 buttons, and the valve already had the connection for it. Alright, so I got some gloves on just for chemical purposes, and go ahead and open it up and we'll see how it goes. Good. So for weed control, I'm using this 2,4-D LV4 with ester. You want to use the ester if you're mixing it with the liquid nitrogen, so you don't end up with any kind of solution in the tank that's going to plug it up. If you use the 2,4-D without the ester and the liquid nitrogen, you'll have that issue. This 2.5 gallons was about $50, right around. And I'm putting down a pint per acre, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in 6 pints in this tank of liquid nitrogen, and then we're going to do a couple adjustments and get spraying. So just a few things, like John Deere put this on for me at the dealer. This is like a Cat 1 pin. They could have at least, the right thing to do would have been to put a Cat 2 pin on, which I have, and I'm going to swap it out, but at least put the sleeves on from Cat 1 to Cat 2. They didn't even do that. The other thing, I don't know who put this together. I don't think John Deere did. This bar right here is supposed to have different adjustments. This bar should be on the lowest hole here, so it comes across this pad. They want this pad resting on this bar, and it's all the way up top, so I don't know. I might not do it today because I'm in a hurry, but just a few things. We're trying to spray, but the ground's just too soft. I'm leaving major ruts. So I'm gonna go to the dry side and try to get it down. The upper side of the field where the wheat's actually growing better, it's a little drier. But over here, I'm just leaving 1 foot ruts. It's no good. So I'll just spray the good side for now. And I'll have to get that whenever it dries out. Day one with the brand new sprayer, but not working well. I mean, the sprayer's spraying decent, but the field's still too wet, so I was leaving some ruts. I got all of this half of the front field done. The other half's too wet. I'll have to get the back field. I need to raise this up. I'm gonna raise this bar, if I can, up to the top holes here, because the ends are on the, when you're teetering left to right, you can see the outer end's hitting the dirt. That one's got mud all over it. This side, I didn't even hit anything. Bent the bracket. The whole bracket's bent up. Busted end off this bolt. So I lost my spraying tip. Gonna have to get another one or find that one. It's probably all plugged with mud.